In this video, we will see how to draw a simple epithelium. For that, we will use two pencils, eosin and hematoxylin. The pink one is the eosin and the blue one is the hematoxylin pencil. So first, the hematoxylin is only for staining the nuclei, right? So you will be using blue color is only to color the nucleus. So first we have to draw a basement membrane. Over that we will be drawing flat cells, okay? And then you will shade with the eosin, that is the cytoplasm. And then you will draw the flat nucleus. So this is the simple squamous epithelium. Next is simple cuboidal epithelium. In simple cuboidal epithelium, you will be drawing the basement membrane, and you know the cells are cuboidal in shape. Okay, with and you can shade with the cytoplasm also with eosin. And you will be having a centrally placed round nucleus. Next, simple columnar epithelium. In simple columnar epithelium, again you will be having a basement membrane, and you will be having cells which the height is greater than the width, okay? And the columnar epithelium will be having a basal elongated nucleus. So you have to inside you have to shade with the eosin for cytoplasm, and you will be having the basal elongated nucleus, okay? So simple columnar epithelium, we know there are ciliated and non-ciliated epithelium. For cilia you can put ciliated epithelium. So you will be drawing both ciliated and non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium, okay? Pseudostratified columnar epithelium, you know, there will be columnar cells, but not all the cells are arising from the basement membrane, but not all the cells will be reaching the apical surface. So you will be having some cells between and in between you can draw goblet cell, flask shaped cells. Like this, okay? So you will shade them with the eosin for cytoplasm. And you will be having nucleus at different levels, okay? Okay, so so this is how you have to draw the pseudostratified and you will be having cilia or stereocilia. So you can draw the cilia on the top of it, okay? This is how you have to draw the simple squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar ciliated epithelium, and pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium with goblet cell.